Jason here with Day Trading Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and make sure you like and smash that subscribe button. Okay, so as always, let's jump right into it. We have a potential trade setting up right here, so let's so currently we are in a what I call a reverse waterfall, right? We had a waterfall. We were in a reverse waterfall, 1 2 3 4 higher lows, right? And then this can on the 15-minute broke below. So I'm actually looking for a potential short, but I'm actually trying to read the dome of to where can I get the best trade, right? I'll also look at the 1-minute chart over here, and I could see that we actually had divergence here to here. Okay, so as we're falling, I'm looking for a potential short. We're at the 200, old support becomes new resistance. Support, fail, resistance. Then we're retracing the 15-minute candle. So I'm looking for that short up here, but I'm actually looking, if I enter here, I have about 2 points worth of risk, which is a little higher that I want to do right now with this type of market. Also, my market profile, we're right at the point of control. So what I'm actually looking for is probably use this body's high and this candle's body for my short, which is around 72.50, knowing that my stop is one tick above, right? At above this high, it's 73, so 73.25. And I also saw earlier that there was a big order of, I believe, like 300 and some. All these are 150, 200. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look, and I'm going to put a trade in something very similar to this. So now I'm essentially risking 2 ticks, right? Entry is at 72.75, which would line up with, and let me draw these two highs right here. Okay, and my stop would go 1 tick of this high at 73.25. Okay, that's so I'm literally risking 2 ticks to make 1 point on this trade, or 4 ticks. But the problem with this trade is we might not get to that level, but I see that stochastics are starting to get overbought, right? Right here, and we're really not moving. So hopefully we could see a quick little push up and then the failure back down. That's what I'm anticipating, because the point of control is down here. So I just kind of want to see a quick pop up, retrace this candle, but not break this candle, right? This is my 15-minute retracement, and see how there's that big order just 1 tick above that high at 367. That's showing a major resistance level. So let's see what happens on this trade. See if we're able to go up. I'm really not expecting it to go. Now look at this. Something that interesting that happened is we got closer. That big order of 350, all of a sudden it went to 208. That's kind of telling me, hey, there might not be much buying pressure. So get filled. I'm short. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to look for 2 ticks, because I don't like that big order, and there it goes, right? I actually won't be surprised to see us make a new high right here above this, because that order should stay, that big 368, I believe it was, should stay there. He didn't stay. But if you see what happened, we came up and we pulled back. We never pulled back to my 1 point target. That's say, hey, let me do a 1-to-1 risk reward. I still like the trade, the very first touch using these. I got and I moved my target from 4 ticks down to 2. I got filled. I'm up 2 ticks on the trade, and here we go. We're making new highs. Okay, so everything that I just kind of discussed happened in real time as we're watching the market. And this is more of a training side, so of the little aspects to look at while you're trading. Problem is, everybody wants a system. Hey, teach me a system. And okay, cool. When this happens, that happens. Okay, that's system. But you also need to look at the little nuances that happen. And I even called it. I said, I won't be surprised once that big order disappeared on the dome. I said, I won't be surprised if we actually break out and make a new high. And that's why instead of looking for 2, I took my 2 ticks real quick, because things change. When you trade, you have to be flexible. Okay, if you're not flexible and be able to change on the fly, then you're not going to be as successful as you could be. With that being said, I will never ever move my stop. I will move my targets closer, but I will never move my stops farther than what price action tells me. And on this, I would have been stopped out on the trade. So hope that helps. And thank you as always for watching my videos. Until my next one, we'll talk to you soon.